Hello, Milfa. I hope that I'm pronouncing that right. Belated welcome to GRA 220. This will be some video feedback for you on your print ad. We've got 4 weeks to go, so if you have any questions or if you need encouragement, don't hesitate to reach out. Milfa, you've got a lot of nice ingredients here. You might consider paring them back. I like this quote in the box, and I'm thinking, if you can spare the ink, try printing this out, because I think what you'll find is that your type is large. Be careful about having things too close to the edge, and you might also consider, I like the way this overlaps. By varying its transparency, bring that over here, you might make it a little more interesting and less harshly geometric. Just a suggestion. And contrast to scale. Consider having something really large against something. Whoops, get this out of the way. Against something perhaps really small. And I like it when these three-dimensional masks overlap flat objects. It will give you some sense of depth. Perhaps. Don't hesitate to overlap. I think this perhaps could be you treat the same way, quite large, semi-transparent. And the type, generally speaking, it can be quite small. You have to pay attention to contrast so that it can be legible. But if you keep it in that range of sizes, so what is that? That's like 9 point. That's still pretty easy to read in print. And the problem with designing digitally for print is that unless we're printing out our images or our designs, we really don't get a sense of the scale, the physical scale, because we're always looking at them reduced. You can simplify the contact information. Take a look at other professionally designed ads. Chances are this can all be combined on a single line and made much smaller. Right now it's 15-point type, which is huge, really, when you think about it. It could be as small, as 7-point type. So just to give you an idea what that would look like. Oops. Okay, I went way too small. But anything to clean it up. Think about visual hierarchy. Finally, what do you want them to see first? And I wouldn't center type. I would hang punctuation. I'm not sure that. In other words, the quotes would be off in the left margin to keep a clean vertical edge. Align type, perhaps, with the logo. Again, be careful about the edges. This is probably too close. And consider having, I like this mark, I don't know if you could use it. All right, some suggestions. I'm going to leave it here. Nice structure, good ingredients. Remember to embed your images.